Baby Girl Cat Shelter. Hi, I am Pet Vet Chloe. Welcome to the shelter. Let's feed Mr. Fluffy. First, we need some fish seasoning. Now take the fish out of the fridge. Great! Now remove the fish scales. Sprinkle it with fish seasoning. Add some olive oil. Slice the carrots, please. Put the tin in the oven. Turn it on. Cook the fish for a half an hour. Great! Fluffy really wants to taste it. Job well done! You are the best chef! Welcome to the shelter. Oliver broke his tail. Help me to treat it. First, let's remove these thorns from his coat. Let's listen to his heart. Sounds perfect. Collect the flying hearts. Remove the old bandage. Turn on the X-ray. Oh no, the tail is broken. Can you fix it? Apply some medication. Much better. Now add the new bandage. Excellent! Oliver feels much better now. Welcome to the shelter. Oh no, the window got very messy. Apply the cleaner, please. Now, wipe it. this window shiny. Polish it. Ew! Clean this litter box, please. Throw out the old litter. Spray on some cleaner. Great! Now wipe it. Pour some clean litter. Now let's clean the sofa. Spray it. Wipe it off. Let's vacuum the carpet. Don't forget the spider webs. Throw the trash away, please. Job well done. Pet shelter is clean again and cats are happy. Meow. Welcome to the shelter. Let's bathe Snowflake. Apply the shampoo, please. Meow. Rinse it. Let's dry her coat. Phew. Brush it. File her sharp nails. Choose the color you like and paint it. Almost done. Phew. Good job! Snowflake looks lovely. Meow. Welcome to the shelter. Collect the stickers and place them in your book. Welcome to the shelter.